Hello, viewers. Merry Christmas. And tonight's topic of discussion is how to make fruit cake. It is an example of flowchart, and it is very important for Madhyamik examinees, CBSE examinees, and ICSEs, ISC, and also for competitive exams. However, every flowchart must have an introduction. So, your first line should be preparation for cake, especially fruit cake, is very easy task, but some ingredients are to be collected from market. First of all, cut some dry fruits into pieces. Dry fruits like apricot, date, kismis, and apples, and whatnot, many other fruits. And let those cut pieces be soaked in orange juice or grape juice. Either in orange juice and grape juice, those cut pieces should be soaked. Next, some maida or wheat flour, milk powder, corn flour, baking powder, sugar dust must be made into dust in grinder machine. Sugar dust, salt, vanilla, and cardamom seed, etc. must be ground and must be put in a pot. Then those cut fruits and all these ingredients are mixed into a batter with hot milk. It must be made into batter in presence of hot milk. Okay? After this, the cut pieces of dry fruits and batter finely mixed, and the mixed content is poured into a cake pot or into an aluminium pot or into an aluminium pot. Okay? Allow this content to be heated in 180 degree temperature in micro oven. So, finally, the content is heated in 180 degree temperature in micro oven. Then, or finally, the cake, the ready cake, is taken out from the micro oven, and now your cake is ready and ready to be cut into pieces. It will be very soft, it will be very tasty, it will be very delicious. Thank you very much. Good night. And I think that all of you have understood the preparation of cake. Again, I am repeating. First, some ingredients like dry fruits cut into pieces, and after this, those dry fruits are soaked either in grape juice or in orange juice. After this, or next, some maida, wheat flour, milk powder, corn flour, baking powder, sugar dust, salt, vanilla, cardamom seed, etc. are ground and put in a pot. Now they are mixed into batter with hot milk. The cut pieces and dried fruits and batter are finely mixed, and the procedure is subject plus present form of the verb, that is the auxiliary verb, and the past participle form of the principal verb. Next, the content of the batter is poured into a cake pot or in an aluminium foil, and the content is heated in 180-degree temperature in a micro oven. After 45 minutes, you may take out the cake, the ready cake, and you may cut into pieces and serve them. Merry Christmas and good night. Thanking all of you. Stay safe, stay mellow.